Hello, today I'm going to show you guys how to install the Giant brand Revolt fenders on the Giant Revolt. The fenders come with all the necessary hardware to mount the fenders. You'll need a 2.5 hex key, this little bolt with the washer mounts to the underside of the front fork. They have these washers that slide together to mount the rear fender. There's two here and they slide together. This washer goes along with this bolt and spacer to mount the rear fender to the rear seat stay. And then you have these little clamps with a bolt to mount the front fender to the forks. The front fender mounts to these holes here, and there's a hole in the underside of the fork that goes into this hole here. Fenders mount to this bolt here, and there's another hole in the seat stay back here that another bolt goes into that this hole matches up with. I'm going to mount the clamp with the bolt. I have the bike upside down. I'm going to take the rear wheel off and mount the fender to the seat stay underneath here, and then move on to the mounts that go on the chain stays. One of the more tricky parts is getting this whole rear fender system lined up. So I'm going to put the clamps on the frame first. If my fingers and hands work. And one side's lined up. I put this duct tape on here because even when you tighten down the clamps as hard as I could, at least, the fenders still seem to slide down and then they rub against the wheel. So I put this tape on here to stop it from sliding down. The combination of the tape and the clamp seem to work well enough. You just have to get the fenders in a spot that you like, then put the tape at that location, and you should be good to go. Alright, this is the final product. Overall, I love that this bike can have hard mounted fenders, not clip-on fenders. Maybe the only thing they could do is extend the fender here down to the bottom bracket area. I know it's common to leave that area open, but on my Kona, the fenders came the whole way down just to provide some more coverage on those wet days. Overall, if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you wish to see more videos, please subscribe. Thank you.